So for the pictures that are below, we're going to identify whether or not the segments that are drawn are altitudes. So to remind you, an altitude is a segment that is perpendicular to the opposite side drawn from a vertex in a triangle. So BQ, if we look at segment BQ here, it is drawn from vertex B perpendicular to the opposite side. So yes, it is an altitude. Let's look at the next question. LO, segment LO. Well, I don't see 90-degree angles, which means it's not perpendicular. It doesn't look like a 90-degree angle there, so not an altitude. Not an altitude. And now we're going to look at the last example here. So we have a vertex E. We have a segment that is perpendicular to the opposite side. So yes, this is an altitude. It doesn't matter that the segment is outside of the triangle. This is an obtuse triangle, so that is the only way from vertex E to that opposite side that we could draw an altitude.